Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Netflix, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to netflix.com. Now type in your email address and tap Get Started. Tap Next. Then type in your password. If you don't want emails from Netflix, check the box and tap Next. Again, tap Next. Now choose the plan that is perfect for you. If you plan to watch Netflix on your TV and PC, the basic, standard, and premium options are available. And the mobile option is only available for mobile phones and tablets. So choose the quality you want to watch. You can always upgrade or downgrade from your plan. Tap Next. Now add in your payment method. As shown, there are two options: credit or debit card and PayPal. If you want to add your PayPal, tap PayPal and continue. And if you're using your card, tap credit or debit card. Here, type in your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, and the security code at the back of your card. Then go through the terms and conditions and check I agree. Lastly, tap Start Membership. And that's how you sign up for Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.